Dramatic lighting. Hey, what is up you guys? My name is Annie. Welcome back to my channel, unless of course this is the first time you're here, then hi, welcome. Today I am doing a room tour. This is a video I've been wanting to do since I lived at my old house, and I've lived in this one for like 4 years. So I've been wanting to do this for like more than 4 years. I personally think I have a really cool bedroom, and I'm really excited to show it to you, which kind of explains the odd angle because not only is the lighting stupid, it's an awkward time of day. Would I film at a convenient time of day? I don't think so. But also I don't want you to see my room yet. So what I want to do is I want to take you through it and show you all the interesting things that I find, well, interesting. I get a lot of compliments on my room, so I'm really excited to show you, so yeah. Alright, so as soon as you walk into my room, this is the first thing that you see. It is kind of chaotic. Bed, stuff, we'll get to that. Starting with the back of my door, I have some jackets. I just organized this not that long ago. I have purses here. This is probably the coolest purse that I've ever got. Now behind my door is my oldest poster that I own. This is my pride and joy, and it is The Used, which is still and always has been my favorite band since I was about 8 years old. This is back when all of the original members were still in the band. Up here, llama poster, drawing of Link. Down here I have my state fair ribbons. I have one for my photography. I entered 3 separate years and ended up winning something every time. A hula hoop and some Legend of Zelda wrapping paper I got like 3 years ago, but I don't want to use because I can't find it. Now right here you have my mirror with a bunch of earrings on it. This thing here is really cool. My brother ordered it for his tools originally, gave it to me for Christmas so that I can use it for my jewelry. So much jewelry, but I have all of this. And then I also have all of this as well. And each of these drawers is divided into different kinds of things, but they are all jewelry, even the big ones, and holiday jewelry as well. But we got a nice little organized system. I love this thing so much. Something super important that I really wanted to show off was these llamas. They are little string llamas. This was my very first one. Israel gave him to me probably within the first week of dating. And since him, we have gotten a whole family. Oops. Oh, and then we have Crazy Becky here in the tree. My lamp is one of my favorite things. It is a T-Rex. His name is Ross. Friends, paleontology, you get it. Cool stickers. Down here we have more stuffed animals. This is the Fonz. We have Edgar, and then Nikolai, who is the prince of Arstotzka. And that's my bedside area. This is gonna take me so long because I have so much stuff. We're in it now. Over here on my bed, I love my bedspread so much and my matching pillow shams. I have this little guy who's due from Christmas, and then my Psyduck, who I love so much. Israel bought him for me for a present. And then I also have my shark, who has been making many appearances in my videos lately, and he's very happy about it. His name is Finley. I have a tapestry here that I love so much. I think it is so pretty. I think I got it off of Wish. This guy I need to talk about. This is Newton, my 6-foot squid. So a fun little thing about Newton is I made him 3 days and $30. One of my favorite things about my room is this corner right here above my bed. It's really cool, and I had a very indie aesthetic there for a minute, and I mean, still kind of, I don't know, I'm lost. But I really love like desert kind of themed stuff and crystals, and everything is extremely dusty. Now moving on to this side of my room, I have my dresser with some stickers. A coworker of mine came up with a couple of these, which was pretty cool. Starting from the top, I have a bunch of Polaroids of some friends. I actually need to update these a lot. And then we have my whiteboard. I actually have this cork board that I'm going to be putting up here instead. And then down here I have Home is Wherever I Am With You. This is one of my favorite indie songs, so I love this lyric. Down here I have all of my little collection of Kinder Egg Marvel superheroes, which is awesome. And then just some knickknacks. I love little things like this that have sayings on them. I also have a weird obsession with tiny bottles. Can you tell the sun just went down, so now it's super dark? Now I have this giant double door mirror on my closet. It is my favorite thing about my room. It is so cool, and I probably spend too much time in front of it. Not gonna lie. On top of it, I have one of my hats. I really, really like street signs and the video clicker things, the thing. And then this Annie Delirium one, my grandma got it printed up for Christmas, and they're all metal. I don't know if I can reach it. Okay, moving on over here. There's so much stuff. Okay, I have my sunglasses hung up. I have it on both sides. They are different styled sunglasses. My shark is hanging from the ceiling. James gave him to me, and he's just been hanging on my ceiling since my old house. So it's just kind of become a thing. Some more necklaces. My Plague Doctor mask, which is super, super cool. Israel got that for me our first Christmas together. All of my vinyls. I have my rainbow cupboard here. It's full of a lot of stuff. Jewelry, makeup, that's so much makeup. And then the rest is scrapbooking stuff, because I do a lot of scrapbooking. Now up here on top of my entertainment center, I have this amazing llama that Israel made for me out of wrapping paper. I have Makar. He jingles. I don't know what to do with these, to be honest. They are a bunch of tiny little animals, like dinosaurs and dinosaurs and dinosaurs. I have more than dinosaurs, I swear. Like a flamingo. And I don't know what to do with them, but I need them, so they're just in a bowl. And then I have my Zelda shrine, which is so cool. Little cactus with a bunch of rings on it, which is so cute. I have too many rings. A family of chickens. Squishy. Ah, my finger got stuck. Like a tower of scrunchies. And now up here, oh, and then this is my record player. Up here is one of my favorite things that I've done in my lifetime. Whenever I go on vacation, I get some dirt from the location. I take a Polaroid picture, and then I take a couple things that remind me of the location. So this one here is Zions National Park in Utah. This is the Jordanelle River, which is also in Utah. This is Yellowstone, which is really cool because this dirt here, these rocks, is from the geyser, the big main geyser thing, whatever it's called, Old Faithful. One of my favorite things about my room is the view. Now this next part is my desk area. This is where I spend 90% of my life. I have a cup holder here that my friend Hannah gave me for Christmas, and I have all of my makeup brushes in there, as well as a dinosaur straw. I mean, we love him. You'll see a very common theme around my room is that I love dinosaurs. This super cute plant that Israel got me, this one is real, and I feel like it's not doing so well. I try. I don't know what I do wrong, but I try. And then these two are on a date. A glass box for cool things. I have a plumb bob necklace and a memory card and a card reader. It's not that cool, but the box is cool. And then the lights that I put up, I love these lights so much. And then my Christmas decoration from the Used, which is their heart. Now over here, I have some books. I have my cameras. Then there's just some chaotic things. I have some gauges and rings, a dancing shark. He dances in the sun. And then these are all of my smell goods. Now, of course, we have the ducks. The ducks. So many ducks. Dinosaur Neon Light, got him for Christmas. I love him so much. And then over here we have my moon, which I love so much. These were both Christmas presents. Another hat. We have a caricature drawing of me and Israel from when we went to an amusement park. And then up here we just have some really cool knickknacks, some statues, more dinosaurs. We are on to the last corner of the room. So I have just put this up to put some jewelry on. I need to get some more to make them go all the way across, but I haven't really left the house these days. A Psyduck Pokemon card that came with him. We have my favorite photo strip of me and Israel. And then these are some drawings that my friends have done. Now this painting is super cool. I found this at, I believe, a Savers for like $7, something like that. And then over here on this side of my mirror, I have more photos. I have the last, oh no, the last Vans Warped Tour ticket. We have all of my Funko Pops. This guy back here, he fell down because of an earthquake, and he's really close to my ceiling. I can't reach him, so I need to fix that at some point. Oh, and then up here, I also have a Keyblade. So that was my bedroom tour. I really hope you enjoyed that. I get so many compliments on how unique my room is, and it's chaotic, but you know, there's personality in it. I absolutely love my bedroom. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Do you think my room is aesthetic? I do. I don't know what aesthetic. Each corner is a different aesthetic, which is slightly chaotic. I don't have a theme. I have themed corners, but I feel like that's kind of me. I'm kind of all over the place with my aesthetic. I don't have one. I don't know. But thank you for coming along with me. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you are not already, and I will catch you guys in the next video.